Want to fill your home with warm, glowing light and relaxing scents? Today, I'll show you how to make beautiful homemade candles from scratch. It's easier than you think.
Here's what you'll need: candle wax, soy, beeswax, or paraffin, wicks with wick holders, a heat-safe container or jar, fragrance oil or essential oils, a double boiler or heat-safe bowl, a thermometer, optional, candle dye for color.
Start by melting your wax. Use a double boiler on medium heat to avoid burning it. Stir gently until it's fully melted and watch the temperature. Most waxes melt between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your wax is melted, remove it from heat. Add fragrance oil, about 1 ounce per pound of wax. If you want color, stir in candle dye until it's evenly blended. While your wax cools slightly, secure your wick in the center of the container. Use hot glue or a wick sticker to keep it in place. A wick holder or chopstick will help keep it upright.
Pour the wax slowly into your container. Leave a little space at the top and try not to disturb the wick's position. Let your candle cool for at least 4 to 6 hours at room temperature. Once fully set, trim your wick to about 1/4 inch, and your homemade candle is ready. That's it! Your own handmade candle, perfect for gifting or adding cozy charm to your home. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more DIY tutorials.
Okay, let's go.